Alright, got a hot battery in it. Sprayed a little go juice off in there. Okay, I'm gonna pose a trick to starting this thing or not. Damn, this thing dusty, y'all. Okay. This is the fuel pump. Okay, I hear the fuel pump. All we got is a click, y'all. Oh, gotta get back out. The battery post came loose. Hot, look a little funky, y'all. Let's see. Let's see if we can fuel pump. There's something. No fire. So I'll be telling y'all, don't leave your shit sitting too damn long. I don't hear nothing now. Alright, let's see what we got. Damn starter could be froze up. Like I said, be irrigating. Let's see if we can get a little motivation on the starter. Sometimes you just need a little motivation. And port foot. Nada. This sucker hyper chip. It's got a pretty good little cam off in it. A little Lunati. Well, this one might be to continue. I'll be back.